with their individual judgment.
Yon!
With that, if the members have no other matters to raise, we shall proceed to vote.
With the chair.
Magkakalaman
The
na.
Honorable Rodriguez.
In the PBBM impeachment, we allow the Honorable Laila de Lima to also state that in one of the grounds, he concurs in one, and then the other, she would not. Because for example, this representation, Madam Chair.
If I may interrupt the Honorable
Yes,
Rodriguez.
please. Yes.
The disparity as to the position of the Honorable De Lima with respect to the first and the second impeachment complaint, but not with respect to the individual grounds.
I have clarified, but can we put on the records, for example, if, for example, in the third complaint, which we are going to vote on, what will happen if four of the grounds for example, in my case, just to be able to state, two of the grounds, there is substance. Four of the grounds, no jurisdiction, no substance. How will that be reflected? Madam
With
Chair?
all due respect, the chair has stated already that the rule
Makulit!
provides the determination
Rufus,
of the
makulit!
sufficiency in substance with respect to the impeachment complaint and not to
Kabata
the
si Rufus
individual
Rodriguez.
grounds.
Diyos ko Lord.
Again, we deliberated per ground only to give a better perspective to the justice members in the determination of the sufficiency in substance.
Go, go,
In
go.
other words, we will be voting on the entire impeachment complaint
Yon!
and not on the individual grounds. And we are not conceiving as well the situation where the members will be manifesting a different position with respect to a respective ground of the impeachment complaint.
Nakapaw.
With that, we shall proceed to vote. The
Eto
chair
na.
is now ready to hear the motion on the sufficiency in substance of the third impeachment complaint, that is Father Sabalia et al. Impeachment complaint endorsed by the Honorable Congresswoman De Lima.
Kabado na sila.
The Honorable Asidre is recognized.
Madam Chair, I move that we vote on the sufficiency of substance on the Sabalia et al. Complaint.
Go, go, go!
May we be given the opportunity to make it more accurate. We
Madam-
need to declare either sufficiency or insufficiency in substance of Sabalia et al. Complaint.
Madam
The
Chair,
Honorable Asidre,
Madam Chair, I move that we declare sufficient in substance the Sabalia et al. Impeachment complaint.
there is a motion to declare the sufficiency in substance of Sabalia et al.
Mag-object
impeachment
na kayo,
complaint.
Rufus!
The same has been seconded by the Honorable Tino and the Honorable Zamora. Do I hear an objection?
Asan na?
No one is objecting.
Natakot! Ayun, yun!
An objection has been
Marcoleta.
registered by the Honorable Suntay,
Suntay, suntay.
which means we will proceed to vote.
Yun!
Those who are in favor of the motion, please
Go, go, go.
raise your right hand.
Yan na. Diyos ko, Lord! Naku po! Aray ko po! Yan, makikita nyo kung sino mga pro-Sara dyan. Baka
Can you higher your hands
Yan, sige, bilangin nyo!
just to make sure that the Secretariat will come up with an accurate counting?
Putra ki, sino nag-raise dyan? Naka po! Hoy, Marcoleta, nasaan ka na? Putra ki, anak ng kamote, mga kabsat. Ito na, this is the moment of truth, mga kakabsat. Magkakalaman ng kulay. Di ba tinakot sila ni Sarah, mga kabsat? Tingnan nga natin kung sino pa ang loyal sa akin. Diyos ko, Lord! Ay, nakapaw! Ay, nakapo, game over na yata. Oh, ilan ang nag-object dyan? Sa akin, sa tingin ko, mga 4. O, sige, maximum 5. Diyos ko, Lord. Sorry! Better luck next time! Diyos ko po. Lustay! Ihanda mo na yung sarili mo!
Secretariat, are you okay? Kong Dumogan is here and raising his hand as well.
Ay, si Dumogan ng Baguio City! Nag-raise ang hand! Ay, Congressman, Dumogan ng Baguio City, Diyos ko Lord.
Oh, you may now put down your hands.
Nadagdagan pa.
Those who are
Yan.
not in favor of the motion.
O, sino? Ilan sila?
Those who are not in favor of the motion, please
Magkakalaman.
raise your right hand.
Magkakaalaman na. Isa. Rufus. Labas, Rufus. Ay, Rodriguez. Don't tell me.
It's okay. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand.
Ay, nag-abstain si Rufus.
All right. So that concludes the voting. Secretariat, the result, please.
Nagkamali ako ng bilang, mabasat. Isa lang pala. Diyos ko, Lord. Ay, umiiwas yung iba dyan, mga kabsat, ha? Bakit isa lang? Si Marcoleta, hindi sumagot. Ba't hindi nakita si Marcoleta kanina?
For the record, the Honorable Renego just came and she's
Ayun!
registering as well her vote for the affirmative. That is in favor of the motion.
Yawn! Nadagdagan na naman ng isa. Si Kulot! Hinahanap natin si Kulot kanina. Yan na. Wala na. Diyos ko,
The
Lord!
vote of Arnan Panaligan is counted already per the Secretariat.
Nako po, nadagdagan na
With 54 votes in the
Wow!
affirmative,
54! Diyos ko, Lord!
1 in the negative,
Oh!
and
Bangkanon!
0 abstention. The chair declares
Oh!
the sufficiency in substance of Sabala et al. Impeachment
Magdiwang!
complaint. So ruled.
Boom! Oh!
Now we proceed
Ang saklap naman nun.
to the fourth impeachment complaint. The Cabrera impeachment complaint endorsed by the Honorable Abante and the Honorable Ortega.
Yan na. O,
The chair
pangalawa.
is ready to hear the necessary motion.
Madam Chair,
Song
The
Your Honor,
Honorable Rodriguez.
before the vote,
Mag-
once again, I would like to ask. There are 5 grounds on the fourth complaint. This representation believes in the dismissal, no substance in 3, but 2 has substance. How do I vote?
Honorable Rodriguez, it is clear in the rules that we are voting on the
whole.
entire impeachment
As a
complaint.
whole.
The
Paulit-ulit
sufficiency in substance has to be
Rufus naman,
determined on the
paulit-ulit eh.
basis of its entirety and not on the basis
Good luck.
of the individual
naman.
grounds.
Good luck sa'yo. Good
In
luck.
other words, it's either you vote in favor of the sufficiency or not in favor of the sufficiency.
Madam Chair, I always agree with the chair.
Thank you. The chair is ready to hear the necessary motion.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Zamora.
I move to declare the impeachment complaint filed by Attorney Nathaniel Cabrera as sufficient in substance.
There is a motion to declare the impeachment complaint of
Tungkay!
Cabrera
Tawag-
sufficient in substance. Do I
Tungkay.
hear a second?
Tawagin mo na si
The same has
140.
been seconded. Is there any objection?
Madam Chair, once again, objection.
The same has been objected to. We shall proceed to divide the House.
Yun, ipakita
Those
ko.
who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
Bakit tahimik si Marcoleta? Tingnan nyo nga kung nag-raise si Marcoleta. Bakit tahimik si Marcoleta? Ay, hindi siya nag-raise. Oh, yun si Marcoleta, oh. Hindi siya nag-raise. Abstain siguro yan. Ayaw nila. Play safe sila, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi nag-raise ng hand si Marcoleta, oh. The same people, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. Anak ng kamote. Anak ko po. Sara Dustay. Diyos ko, Lord. Magdasal ka na. Ay, grabe, oh. Oh, Suntay. Kamusta na si Ann Cortez? Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Kitang-kita, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. Nag-vote ba si Rodriguez? Si Rupos? O nag-abstain na naman?
Secretariat, are you okay? You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
Taas mo na yan, Sungtay! Yun, ipagmalaki mo! Yan, tuloy.
You may put down your hand.
Ay, mag-isa
Those who
na naman yan.
abstain, please raise your right hand.
O, sa'yo nag-abstain.
That
Ay, wa-
concludes our voting on the fourth impeachment complaint.
Well-
Secretariat result, please.
Well, mga kakabsat, game over. Diyos ko, Lord. See you in the plenary. Diyos ko, Lord. Woohoo! Kabado na ang kampo nila, mga kakabsat. May nag-iiyakan na, sigurado, yung mga garapata nilang vlogger.
With 54 votes in the affirmative
Wow, the same. 54.
and 1 vote in the negative, with 0 abstention, the chair declares the Cabrera impeachment complaint sufficient in substance. So ruled.
Yee-ha!
The Honorable Zamora.
In view of the finding of the sufficiency and substance of the 2 impeachment complaints,
Diyos ko, Lord. Oh, like
I
na
move
tayo.
to
Like.
issue Notice to
Mga
the
kabsat.
Vice President or
Yun.
the respondent to the impeachment complaints to file her answer to the impeachment complaints within a non-extendable period of 10 calendar days from receipt of this notice.
Yon,
Madam.
10 days.
There is a motion for the issuance of notice to Vice President Sara Duterte for the filing of her answer to the 2 impeachment complaints within the non-extendable period of 10 days. Do I hear a second?
Sufficient
The same has been
informed.
seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The committee is directed to issue the necessary notice to the respondent. If there are no other matters to be discussed in this committee hearing or to be manifested by the members, the chair is ready as well to hear the necessary motion.
Move to adjourn, ma'am. Move to adjourn.
Our today's committee meeting is hereby adjourned.
Yon. Yon, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh, mga kakabsat, huwag naman kalimutan mag-like and subscribe, mga kakabsat. Like and subscribe po tayo. Sa mga masasaya, mag-like na kayo, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. So, nagsalita na po ang mga congressman, mga kakabsat. Yung iba nag-abstain. Ayaw ipakita ang kulay, pero kitang-kita natin, mga kakabsat. Diyos ko, Lord. Sino mga nag-like dyan? Press 1 naman sa mga nag-like dyan, mga kapsat. Shout out, Yuki Sawaki, and Time, Josie, Yuki, Rodrigo, Nets. Sino ba? Sa lahat ng mga nandyan, wala pa kanina, ha? Kabadong-kabado yung kampo nila, Diyos ko, Lord, Rudy. Naspak, mga kakabsat. 54 versus 1. Si Mang Kanor. Diyos ko, Lord. Uy, mga kapsat, alam nyo ba, ang dami na nag-react doon. Mga kapsat. Alam nyo ba, ang dami na nag-react ng mga kababaihan. Especially, pati yung kapatid ni Ann Cortez nagsalita na, mga kapsat. Mamaya, pag-usapan ulit natin yun. Ako pa! Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, maraming salamat, kapsat. Again, like and subscribe po tayo. Mag-subtopic lang tayo ng isa bago tayo mag-end. Maraming salamat sa 217 live viewers. Countdown lang tayo. Countdown tayo. For isang subtopic lang tayo. Isa lang. Here we go.